Okay, so this is a quick video on the Craftsman Model 103 12-inch bandsaw with the Slo Speed Converter on it. This is the cover that I took off, and a lot of people are asking how that works, the internals. They wanted some pictures of the inside. This all needs to be cleaned up, but this is the inside of the Slo Speed Converter. The series of 4 pulleys, 2 belts, and then the bearings. It runs with some vibration. I think the bearings need to be attended to, so I'll be stripping this down at some point. The stock Craftsman, the Dunlop motor, and then a wide pulley. There is a set of screws for the pulley. I took the second one out just for ease of changing this for the video. So it's set right now to run on fast speed. I will plug this in. Changeover is very simple. When it comes to a stop, we'll find our set screw here. I have it just hand tightened right now. Take that out. Both of them have to be out. This pulls back, and then we're looking for the lock on the other side now. So we'll put the set screw back in on the far side of the mechanism, and you can see now there's more of an offset on this side. So that's it, it's converted. Now we're going to run in low speed. See the inner pulley right here running very fast, and the outer pulley being driven on a slower cam. And there's quite a bit of vibration for this piece right here for the whole unit. So I think it needs some obvious adjustment. It makes the rest of the saw rattle quite a bit. So that is the Slo Speed Converter, and hopefully it helps. Thanks.